Good evening, everyone. My name is Bharat Ramadhan. I am a second year student of School of Infrastructure, enrolled in its 4-year Bachelor of Technology course at Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am contesting for the post of General Secretary, Science and Technology, student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar, for the academic session 2014-2015. The vital effort of General Secretary, Science and Technology lies in a well-planned and organized agenda to draft the activities which come under the Science and Technology Council, and also to work out a good deal in accomplishing the triumph of Visionary, the annual Techno Management Fest of IIT Bhubaneswar. I assure to closely associate with the secretaries of the societies under my domain under the coating of Visionary. I support my candidature for this board with an incentive to serve the expanding quality resources at IIT Bhubaneswar. My credentials for this post are as follows. In my 2 years of stay at IIT Bhubaneswar, I was engaged in numerous technological aspects that took place in our campus. I was a co-team member of marketing and sponsorship team of Visionary 14 and an associate member of Visionary 13. During my tenure as a co-team member of Visionary 14, I contributed to 3 major facets of the fest, namely sponsorship, publicity and event management. Being the sponsorship co-team member, I have gained a comprehensive view of finance and marketing involved in the fest. I was successful enough to contribute a considerable part towards the sponsorship amount of the fest. I was a part of team that underwent the publicity of Visionary 14 as well as Visionary 13. I am currently a member of Robotics and Intelligent Systems Club, RISC, the Robotics Society of IIT Bhubaneswar. Being a member of RISC, I have gained immense knowledge in the field of robotics by preparing various robots and also guided many fellow students by conducting workshops. I am presently working as a campus ambassador for IBM India University Relations Program for the academic session 2013-2014, and I led a team of organizing workshops on business analytics and cloud computing. I am a member of Source for Solace, a social welfare society of IIT Bhubaneswar, and took part in various welfare activities in Bhubaneswar. If elected, I shall contribute to set up a robotics laboratory, that is, a separate room equipped with basic components required for the preparation of boards for the students of IIT Bhubaneswar to work on robotics. The reimbursement of the money dealings is causing a serious hindrance to the advancement of robotics society. In order to compensate this, I would like to propose a partial prepay concept by funding the society members with an appreciable amount beforehand as a token of encouragement. I already had a talk with the Vice President and Gymkhana officials regarding the feasibility. I shall put up Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center, IEDC, as a part of Center for Entrepreneurship Cell, IIT Bhubaneswar, and secure funding from DSA, that is Department of Science and Technology, which will hold the responsibility of encouraging the entrepreneurship skills and technical ideas of students of IIT Bhubaneswar. I shall promote the idea of initiating the campus company as a part of Center for Entrepreneurship to encourage startups among the students of IIT Bhubaneswar and promote a healthy entrepreneurial environment. Proceeding with the enthusiasm of the successful event, I shall give my wholehearted support to organize the summit, the Entrepreneurship Fest of IIT Bhubaneswar, which makes IIT Bhubaneswar to be the first one to organize the EE Summit among all the new IITs. I shall throw spotlight on the Web and Design Society by keeping it engaged in the constant update of IIT Bhubaneswar's Gymkhana's official website with the information pertaining to various societies of Gymkhana and the happenings in our college. I shall also strive to publish the technical journal which was being stopped due to some reasons regarding the happenings of the technical events and the projects undertaken by the professors in our college. The Programming Society welcomes all the students who are interested in the programming. I shall initiate the auditions for the Programming Society and induct the members into the society from the second year. This facilitates the greater efficiency of the society. I propose for the creation of official Android app for students Gymkhana. The synchronous update of the Gymkhana website and app established a strong interaction among web and design and programming societies, thereby leading to the development of interpersonal skills. Even Coverage Society faces a problem of having inadequate society members. To overcome this problem, I suggest photography workshops by some of the reputed photographers in Bhubaneswar. This will increase the rate of interest towards the society. This even renders them to participate in photography competitions beyond the scope of our present scenario. Further, the photographs captured during the events are being posted in Clicks IIT Bhubaneswar Facebook page. Instead, I would suggest to create a Google Plus account from our institute mail and share the photos of the covered events, thereby making them available for the faculty members also. I shall initiate the photography newsletters, that is the photography magazines which consist of the college photograph of the happenings at a glance. I shall propose the initiation of departmental fests for all the undergraduate and postgraduate students of the respective departments. Most of the IITs organize the departmental fest apart from their annual cultural and tech fest. I have approached the heads of all the schools regarding the finance required to organize these fests, and I am glad to say that I have got a good response from each of them. I would like to introduce technical events here which could contain the events like maths, physics, Olympiads, chemistry innovation, quizzes, workshop, etc. thereby involving the participation from the postgraduate students also. I shall support the societies and render them with the required amenities to take part in the interactive tech meet and also other competitions. I propose for the circulation of monthly magazines such as Digit, Entrepreneur, etc. to the hostels, namely Dr. A.N. Khosla Hall of Residence, Kisura and Madanpur. Regarding this, I already had a talk with Dr. Samant Rai, Chairman Central Library, who have shown some positive response towards it. I shall take a note for the smooth functioning of IEEE and SAE by supporting them with the financial assistance required. I shall initiate a branch of Association of Consultant Civil Engineers (ACCE) for the undergraduate students of civil engineering. Regarding this, I had a talk with our civil professors who have accepted this to some extent. Owing to limited time, I have just listed the overview of my proposals. I hereby declare that I shall work sincerely for the betterment of IIT Bhubaneswar. Keeping in view the probability of shifting to Argil, I shall promise to stick on my proposals. Thank you.